Hello, I am Landon, and this is most likely going to be the last winter storm for Illinois, Winter Storm Miles. Right now we have the rainstorm part of Winter Storm Miles hitting us right now. This is stage 1. As you can see in Iowa is coming stage 2, which is the ice, and then stage 3 is the snow. As we can see here that it is very bad, and because we're in the yellow up there in Schaumburg and Rockford, they're getting hit by the yellow part of it, which is a bad part of the storm. And as it's moving, so Winter Storm Miles is right now at stage 1, the rain. It is pretty windy out here, and clouds, as you can see over there, they're moving like crazy, super fast across the skies. And stage 1, we have rain coming at overnight, and as you can see, the snow has melted, which is creating more rain to pile on top of the melted snow. So that's creating more than an inch of rain, leading to possible flooding. Which will be crazy. East towards us here in Chicago. And this is all happening due to the temperature and the wind, which has been crazy effects of it. Start with the temperatures. So, as you can see here, that we are about 40 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, that blue area right there, that is about 15 degrees Fahrenheit, is going to surround us, and that is leading to the stage 2, which is the ice. Cold air is surrounding us and is going to turn, as I said again, the rain into ice, which is doing what's called the cake layer, as the cold air and the warm air meet, turning it into snow, ice. As you can see here, it is going to collide, and because of the unstable pressure, all that cold air is going to collide. What is the winds doing to us? So, as we can see here, we're about in between 15 and 20 miles per hour, which that's very high. And as you can see, that is going to affect how the snowstorm is coming to us. As will it be coming to us fast or slow? That all depends on the wind and wind streams. Those are two different things. Wind streams are wind currents that travel and bring storms different ways. Where the rainstorm is all the way up here, and it is going to come east into us because of the wind bringing it in. As you can see over here, and even over here on Lake Michigan, it is about 25 miles per hour, which is bringing it even faster. So this is leading to a big storm that is going to come fast as overnight, and then comes stage 2 early in the morning. So we'll see you in the morning. Storm Miles was not what we suspected last night, as we were supposed to be getting ice right now. But no, because the temperature, instead of moving inward because of unstable pressure, the pressure was stable, so it moved outward. And that created more of a rainstorm. And now, Jameson, how is it out there?
It's cold and slippery.
Thank you, Jameson. And now for more detailed information. So we're right now outside, and it is pretty windy. Trees are literally swaying back and forth. It is pretty crazy, as you can see behind me. The wind speed is about 2 miles per hour, and that's just the normal wind speed, and the winds gusts are like 15 miles per hour, which is pretty crazy. Now the rain will be coming soon enough, so see you in the afternoon. Winter Storm Miles was very powerful of a storm, and it was the windiest Illinois has ever got this year, as snow is being literally blown off of roofs because of the wind, which led to intense whiteout conditions, wind speeds of over 30 miles per hour. It was incredible to see, and it is still intensifying as it is going towards into Canada and up to the Hudson Bay, which is pretty crazy. And I'm going to give a shout out to 3 subscribers. Those 3 subscribers are Sydney, Caitlin, and Liam. See you outside tomorrow.
So this right now is Winter Storm Miles. First landfall, because next week we have the second landfall coming, and we got about 4 inches, which is map 1 of what we got. So see you in the next storm.